One of the Tri-State's most high-profile lawyers won't be practicing law for the next year. The Ohio Supreme Court today suspended Clyde Bennett's license over claims of misconduct. Local 12's Brad Underwood was the only reporter to sit down with Bennett tonight. He's live downtown with what Mr. Bennett had to say. Brad?
Well, good evening, Rob. Yeah, Clyde Bennett's tried some pretty big cases here at the Hamilton County Courthouse as well as across the state of Ohio. While that's not going to happen for the next year, Bennett says he takes full responsibility for his actions. He respects the suspension, but he's also looking forward to some time off with family. Clyde Bennett has never shied away from the big cases. Over the years, he's represented former Juvenile Court Judge Tracie Hunter, the suspect in the Cameo Nightclub shooting, and back in 2017, got a not guilty verdict for Rico Mosley in the murder trial of Kelsie Crow.
I think I've taken on causes and I've resolved cases that other lawyers simply were not doing.
But now he's benched. The suspension comes after claims of misconduct from an attempted murder and assault case stemming from a 2013 double shooting in Sharonville. The family of John Kelley says Bennett did not discuss with the family what he was doing in the case and that he failed to file a direct appeal by the court's deadline.
I don't regret what I did, but I do regret the fact that when somebody hires me, my goal is to beat the case or get the outcome that they desire. That didn't happen in that case, and that I regret.
It's not the first time Bennett has been suspended by the Ohio Supreme Court. In 2007, he was sentenced to 2 years in prison for making illegal bank deposits to avoid federal regulations. But Bennett says he's not looking back, and he will continue to fight for his clients.
I'll come back stronger and better 1 year from now than I am today. And I will keep being the attorney that I think my God wants me to do. And my God wants me to stand up for people that are socioeconomically disadvantaged.
Until then, Bennett says he'll relax, play some golf, and spend more time with his family.
I don't have any ill will or negative feelings about anybody. I brought this upon myself, and I accept full responsibility for it. And I'm going to put this behind me, and I'm going to move forward.
Now, this decision by the Ohio Supreme Court, 3 years in the making because the complaint was filed back in 2015. Now, the client in that case at the center of the complaint, Kelley, he was sentenced to 25 years in prison. Reporting live outside the Hamilton County Courthouse, Brad Underwood, Local 12 News. Rob?
Brad, thanks very much. The Ohio Supreme Court voted 4-3 in favor of the 1-year suspension. The Board of Professional Conduct originally recommended a 6-month suspension.